Hello students and welcome to MIM Academy, where you can unleash your potential to ace JEE Main and JEE Advanced. Meet our dedicated and passionate team of mentors who are committed to guiding you through each and every step of your journey towards your dream college. Hello students, I am Akashdeep from MIM Academy and we understand the crucial role which mathematics plays in conquering JEE Main and JEE Advanced. So are you a highly motivated student who is aiming for a top engineering college? And are you searching for the best coaching in mathematics for JEE Main and JEE Advanced? Then your search ends here. As at MIM Academy, our esteemed faculty members breaks down the complex concepts and tailor learning to according to the individual strengths. And you can experience it firsthand as you can attend our upcoming demo classes, and in those classes you can see how we can empower you to achieve your dream IIT.
We teach many toppers and ambitious students. However, they always hesitate to ask their questions in the class. But here at MIM Academy, we create such an environment that students can freely ask their questions in the class. Hi, I am Ritika. I am here to make you feel comfortable so that you can discuss your doubts and concerns, whether it is related to mathematics or beyond. Together, we will overcome every hurdle in your journey to success.
At MIM Academy, we don't just teach, we inspire, we mentor, we empower our students. So join us on this transformative journey towards your dream college. Enroll now and unlock your true potential under the able guidance of our expert mentors. Dear students, don't wait any longer as your future starts here at MIM Academy.